Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce cruised to another victory in the women's 100 meters this season after posting 10.81 to win in Poland at the World Athletic Continental Tour Gold Series meeting in Poland on Sunday. All right. The two-time Olympic champion easily improved the previous meet record of 11.01 seconds set in 2013 by fellow Jamaican teammate Carrie Russell. All right, big up Carrie Russell. But the record gone. All right. Fraser-Pryce, the third fastest woman in history, was competed for the first time since clocking a sizzling 10.60 seconds PB in Lausanne last week, and she looked smooth after blasting from the blocks to pull away from her rivals over the course of the race. To be honest with you, when you get a chance, take a look at the race. It's well executed. Not her fastest time, but there wasn't anybody there to challenge her to run another 10.6 or 10.7. She was clearly way ahead or a lot faster than her competition. Kambuji was the closest thing to being any sort of threat, but by about 70 80 meters into the race, it was over. Let's continue. The Tokyo 2020 Olympic silver medalist raced home ahead of the Swiss sprinter Majunja Kambunji, who ran 11.08 seconds for second place, while Daryl Neater of Great Britain was third in 11.15 seconds. Trinidad and Tobago's Mitchell Lee Ayi ran 11.19 seconds for fourth place. All right, so the only person that was sub 11 was Shelly. All right. In other news, Hazel Parchment, Olympic champion of Jamaica, won the men's 110-meter hurdles, winning in a time of 13.27 seconds, getting the better of American Devon Allen over the final flight of hurdles after a slow start. Typical Hansel. All right. Another victory in the bag for Shelly-Ann as we approach the 100-meter finals of the Diamond League, and Hansel continues his good form. All right, good going, guys. Congratulations. Guys, remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. All right.